Hello, guys. It's God's will, and I want to welcome you once again to this, training in Java. You understand? So we've been able to learn some things in my first videos before this one, like introduction to programming, and also OOP tutorial, and at the same time introduction to Java programming. And right now I want us to look into what is known as NetBeans IDE, NetBeans IDE, and it's very very important for us to know about it and how to use it before we go into writing programming program in Java or coding in Java. You understand, guys? So I will just train you or teach you how to use NetBeans in this particular video. So I just want you to focus, and whenever you go to YouTube channel to watch my video, to always subscribe, your notification on, and at the same time like and share, guys. So please just do that for me. And even this particular one that you are watching right now, please, I would like you to like it and share to everyone that that is going to get value out of this video. So let's go straight to what we have in this particular training, which is as you can see on the screen, how to use NetBeans IDE in writing Java programming language or in developing Java application. So, and now I'm going to be going straight to what NetBeans is as an IDE. This is an open source integrated development environment written purely in Java. So meaning that NetBeans was written in Java, and it helps developers to create cross-platform, desktop, web, and the mobile applications using Java. So an IDE stands for integrated development environment. It's an environment that will enable you to be able to develop application, especially in Java. You understand? And other programming languages is not only in Java. So that is NetBeans IDE, guys. And there are some features that we have in NetBeans IDE, like code completions. You understand? And not only that, even code templates and fixed import for faster, you understand, development. You understand? So these are some of the features that we have in NetBeans, and beyond that, we also have different benefits of NetBeans. You understand? So of which one of them has to do with a plugin. Another one is that it contains a GUI, which is a graphical user interface for building, for compilation, not only compilation, for debugging and packaging of our applications. So NetBeans contains this, and beyond that, it also has another benefit, which has to do with its simplicity and user friendly configuration as an IDE. You understand? So these are some of the things that make NetBeans IDE as one of the best IDE for writing Java programming or in also developing applications using Java. And I'm going to bring it up and teach us some things in it. You understand? Because there are some elements that we need to learn from NetBeans. You understand? So, and I'm bringing it up right now for us to see. When you, after the installation, you understand, when you open it, you understand, so it's going to look like this at the first step. No, though my own, I've changed the color of my NetBeans. You can go to setup, you understand, and change the color to what you want. You understand? So, and if you like it the way that it used to look like white, you can continue like that. You understand? So, but my own, I've gone to setup to change it. But if you want me to show you how I change my own setup, just come to this place and click on tools and click on options, you understand. Make sure that it is Apache NetBeans. Once you click on that, you can see different things like editor, you understand. You can see the fonts and colors, you understand, and different things. Here you can change the fonts and colors and whatever you want to change within this place, you understand. So this is the actual one I really need for my coding. That's why it's not looking white like the one that you just installed, you understand. It's not different from the one that you just installed. So now, and going to the next thing is looking into the first thing that you want to know about NetBeans, guys, and it's very, very important for us to know that. So the first element of NetBeans that we should know is what we know as a menu bar. If you can see my mouse, look at how I'm moving. These are the menu bars, you understand, on your NetBeans IDE. These are the menu bars, and within the menu bars we have sub menus. You can see the sub menus within it, you understand. So all of these sub menus, they have special functionalities that they carry out, you understand. So this stop, you understand, from the beginning to the end of this place, they are called menu bars, and inside the menu bars we also have sub menus. So that's the first element of IDE, menu bars. Guys, hope you've understood what I'm saying. So after menu bars, we have the next element of IDE or NetBeans IDE, which is folder view, my guys. So folder view is the next element, and folder view has to do with this place. As you can see my mouse, you understand, as you can see my mouse all over this way I'm clicking it. So from this place down to this place has to do with folder view, you understand, guys. Folder view in your NetBeans IDE, and folder view contains the structure and the files that are associated with your Java application. Are you with me, guys? So like you can see the projects here, you can see the packages, you understand. And for example, how do we create a package? What is a package? Or how do we create a project? Starting from the beginning, better to know that. So guys, if you want to create a new project, just come to this place, click on it, click on new project, and when you click on new project, you will see Java with different categories of it. The first one, as you can see, is Java with Marvin, and you can see Java application here. Click on next, and once you click on next, it will now demand for you to write the project name. I can write my own is Java underscore project, you understand, guys. So Java underscore project, then I will click on finish for it to create. So as you can see in this place now, we have Java Java project, and inside the Java project we have source package, and inside the source package we have the first package here, you understand. So and which is I can I'm not yet there. I will show you what we do in this place, but beyond this place it will take us to the next thing, you understand, which is the next element is what we call components window. This is components window, guys. So this area, and what components window does is that it shows the details of the open project that you are working on at any particular point in time. That's why we can have a navigator in this place, and after this it will now take us to the next elements in NetBeans IDE. So it has to do with the next one is source editor and design view. So source editor and design view is found in this place, you understand. All of this place has to do with source editor and design view, you understand. This place that you can see, and for us to understand it better, I would like us to create a class. Come to package, right click, and from new you go to Java class, and you create a class. I can just say the first class to be sample, you understand. So sample, I will just click on it, and As I click on sample, it's going to load. It has loaded into this. As you can see on the screen, you understand, public class sample. We will go into that on how to create a class. Then I can just type psvm. You will understand this later, and SOUT, you understand. So click on it, and inside it I can say hello world, you understand. So from here, this is our design view. This place that you can see I'm writing code, and here I can, after saving, I can right click and run the program, you understand. See the output. So the output is going to appear on the screen, as you can see. So this is guys, this is the output here. As you can see, this is the hello world. So this one is the output element, you understand, view of our IDE. This whole place is the output view of our NetBeans IDE, you understand. So, and the output always show us the the result of our program, or it can also show the the compilation error, or it can show the debugging message. So I think this is how far we can go in this our training on how to use NetBeans IDE. Don't forget, this place has to do with what I said from the beginning, the menu bars, you understand. Then here is the code, the code design, or the code and design view, which is better put. And this place, you understand, has to do with our outputs, you understand. Then this place used to show us any open project, what is happening within that project. And this one has to do with folder view, this place that contains some of the files that has to do with the Java application that we are writing. So in the next class, we will now handle how to create class, or in the next training. So, and don't always forget, whenever you watch my video, to subscribe, to share, and to at the same time like it, especially even this one that you are watching now. Please just do that. Thank you guys. See you in the next training.